Alright guys, it's Saturday, April 9th. Nice sunny day. It's about 28 right now. We'll be heading out into the woods to, I don't know, it's kind of a shelter, fort, whatever you want to call it. Just a nice spot to hang out that we can always come back to.
Alright, we got a good spot here. It's levelish. It'll be alright. We're gonna set up our fort right about here.
Nice opening. Nothing dead's gonna fall from above. Got a lot of good logs to choose from. Just a quick look at our 3 logs that are gonna be our tripod. We're just cutting them to equal length right now, and then we'll tie them up and make our tripod. Alright, we got our tripod in place, pushing her in nice and tight, and then we'll have a big beam right here going across over to there. Nice. So we got our ridge pole going across, so I'm just going to tie this in. Make it nice and tight, it's not coming out. Alright, we got a little outline. Alright, Sammy, give her hell. It's nice and sturdy. Nice. How high do you say it would be?
Oh, this is
chin height, shoulders. Yeah. All right.
about 5 feet in here, probably.
Nice. Now we're just gonna be cleaning it off so it's not being up on our tarps when we are gonna put them on there. Alright, now we added back there just a little support pole, and it'll be able to help keep the tarps on. Alright, that's what it looks like with the little 5x7 tarp on, and I don't know if we're gonna just keep it like that. We'll have to, it's gonna be our permanent shelter right here for a while. Obviously we're gonna take down the tarp when we're not here, but we like it, it's nice. We bring out a big tarp next time. We'll have to just play around with it, see what we like. Right now though, we're gonna go out and get some firewood and have a little fire, then we'll eat our lunch. Alright, just found a nice choice piece of red oak right there. That'll be a good little piece for our fire. Nice. I think it'll cost you. Yeah, this wood, not too dangerous though. There we go. I don't know if you guys can hear or see that, but it is bird heaven over here right now. It sounds like Indiana Jones when all those bats are flying over. It's all a bunch of blackbirds just going nuts. They all just flocked over here at once. Scared me.
Light. I know, it's really weird in there. Here we go.
Natural check right there.
Yeah.
Reflector looks good so far. Oh yeah. Good actually? I think so. This stuff's so easy to cut through over here. I was going after shitty stuff. Wasn't good so far. So here's our fire reflector. It's about 3 steps away from our little shelter. Pretty good size, about knee height. We just put a bunch of old musty logs on there because it doesn't really matter, and they're super easy to cut through. So we're gonna have our fire about right here, and we're just getting all of our prep ready. We should be ready to go in a couple minutes. Alright, now I'm just taking these split down pieces. I'm just making some long curls for some tinder, and this is giving me some nice curls right now. Couple nice ones in here. I don't know, not too good at it yet. We'll have to work on it, that's for sure. Pretty proud with what we're getting right now though. This is some good wood for it.
Alright, we got some split wood here. Working on it, bringing them down to nice thin pencil size here. That will catch easier, and then some of them Drew's taking and making some little shavings of. Get that fire going nice and good.
Alright, got all of our fire prep laid out. We got a piece of bark down to catch the flint and steel, and also to keep it off the wet ground. We got some shavings, some feather sticks, pencil size, our split wood, and then the fuel over there, just the big logs. We're going to be using just a little flint and steel to get it going. Alright, first we got a little piece of bark down, and I'm going to shave off a little bit of steel. I'll put that on the bottom like that, and then should be able to catch this when we put that on. Little curls right here, not too many, should be good though. Get those on top of each other, put down our feather sticks. Little pencil sizes. Lay these down crisscross. Get as much air as we can in there. Alright, fire's going. About to have lunch. We didn't bring anything to cook over a fire. We just brought a couple sandwiches, granola bar, apple, and some water. Our main focus today was getting the shelter done, and we accomplished that. We didn't know if we'd have time to cook something, but we did bring some hot chocolate because I got a new little pot I want to try out. Nice. Got the hot chocolate going in right now. Alright, the hot chocolate tastes super good and is nice and warm on a cold day like this. Right now, we're just preparing some new fire prep for next time so we don't have to do as much work. And then we'll probably pack up and head on out.
Alright, got everything taken down, tarps all down, all our stuff put away. Got all this wood collected for next time, so a little less work for us out here. Gonna put the fire out, and then it looks like we'll be heading out of here.
Happy with the day. Got a nice long-term shelter right here. We'll be able to come here all the time. Nice little fire. We got Nice fire reflector, a lot of firewood collected. Was overall really happy with the day. We got a lot done. Hopefully next time we'll be able to work on it, add to it. We'll bring out definitely bigger tarps to just tie it down and everything. Like make it, I don't know. We're gonna do an overnighter over here, though. I promise you that. If you liked it, please tell us with a like, comment, or subscribe, and thanks for watching. Beautiful. Let's go home. Alright, so it's spring and all the snow melting. This is usually way, way shallower. And then up here, then, this is never even here. This is just a little stream coming through. That's pretty deep by itself too, though. Crazy stuff. It's all flooded back in here. Look at this. Nice little trail by the deer. Making our lives easy walking through. Alright, video's done, guys. Make sure to stay tuned for next time.